preparing the railing for the stairs, so I have to make those grooves to put the I don't know what you call those vertical pieces in there. So I can only go about 5 millimeter at one time, so I have to go over each one of them 3 times. So this is the second time, this is twice, and this is just one time. All right, so the pieces are ready for the final touches, sanding and making the corners less sharp. So I have cut and made the groove into the railing, the bottom piece and the top piece, and I'm just putting there to see they fit. So I plan to cut the drywall to push them out to the 2x4 on the other side to have a stronger connection here too. So here too I'm going to cut it and then go to the wall. So I put a 10.5 centimeter piece of Douglas fir there, so it'll be nice and solid. And the joint I plan to do like a, I don't know what it's called, but it's a 2-level joint, so it'll be 45 degrees, but this piece will go, I'll take the top off this one, and then the bottom will be, still be there, and the other one will be the opposite. So the top will be there, but the bottom will be gone. So I don't know what kind of joint that's called, but it's stronger. The same at the top. All right. little bit of wabi-sabi. So I'm gonna drill those holes a little bit bigger and then put those dowels in there and then sand it off. So I don't know if you can see it, but this is the wabi-sabi that I did. So there are 2 holes there and that I plugged, so it's almost invisible. You have to actually know it to see it. So it worked out quite well. There is another hole that I fixed here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there, so it's almost invisible. Again, you have to know it to see it. Alright, so I'm testing this here. So this will go about 1 centimeter here, and then later next year or this year, I'm not sure when, I'll put some drywall here and then it'll be flush with this. And the same over there. So I put some wood to attach the drywall to. And the joint, I was planning to do a 45-degree cut, but that's kind of a, I don't have the proper tool to cut it precisely, and so what I'm going to do is going to just do a, I don't know what it's called, but just cut it half. So this will be the top part and the other part will go under. So it'll look nice that way. So now is the measuring, and what I have to do is I have to cut. So I'm going to push it all the way to the wood there. So I have to cut the drywall and push it in. And of course, somewhere around there will be the same thing. So that's why I said I put a big solid piece, 105 millimeter here, to have something to attach to. And here you'll come up right with the stud that holds the window. That'll be nice. Okay, let's do that.